R.D. Sharma, class 6th, chapter number 9, that is ratio, proportion and unitary method. First we will do the ratio method. Okay, with that we will just start. First we have to remember the units. So from exercise 9.1 we will start first one. Express each of the following in the language of ratio. Now you had given in the words form, you have to convert this into ratio. In a class, number of girls is in the merit list of the board exam is 2 times that of boys. Now if we have to write in ratio, then the number of girls in the merit list, ratio of number of girls in the merit list of the board exam is to the ratio of boys is 2 times, means 2 ratio 1. Ratio of girl is first and ratio of boy is next. Now the number of the students passing mathematics test is 2 by 3 of the number that appear. So 2 by 3 means 2 ratio 3. Like this way we have to write. Question number 3. Express each of the following ratio in its simplest form. Now how to do in simplest form, let us see. So this is your question. 60 is to 72. So how to write 60 divided by 72? Simplest form means we have to cancel it. So we can cancel with the 12 5 and 72 12 6 72. Now here we can cancel it, so it is answer is 5 by 6. Now second one, that is 3 to 4 upon 144. Ratio it is in written, so we have to write in division form. Now we can cancel with the 12 12 and 12 27. Another one, that is with 3 we can cancel, 3 4s and 3 9s. So 9 upon 4 is the answer. But here we have to write in ratio both of the way. So 5 ratio 6 and 9 ratio 4 is the answer. Question number 4. Find the ratio of the following in the simplest form. Now this one we had given 15 paise to rupees 3. Now same unit we need. Okay, if it is paise, so this is also in paise. If it is this in rupees, so this is also in rupees. So any one we have to convert in this part. Okay, for that we have to remember 1 paise equal to how many rupees, or 1 rupees equal to how many paise. So you know 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. Here minutes same, so no need to change. Here kg and gram, so there we have to change this kg into gram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So let us write that unit first. Now for the not question 4, all for this we need this one, that is 1 rupees equal to 100 paise, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 1 week equal to 7 days. For this we will solve this question number 4. Now for the question number 4, 75 to rupees 3. So what we have to change here? Rupees 3. So 1 rupees we know that 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. So how many rupees? 3 rupees equal to how much? So 3 into 100, which is equal to 300 paise. Okay, so 300 paise. Now what we have given? 75 paise to rupees 3. So instead of rupees 3 we will write 300 paise. So 75 paise to 300 paise. Okay, unit should be same. Then what we will write? Now it is in 2, so we will write in division form, that is 75 upon 300. Now we can cancel it. 75 ones and 75 4s are, so which is equal to 1 upon 4, and that we have to write in ratio, then 1 ratio 4. So that is your answer. Here you can write as a ratio equal 7, 5 minutes to 45 minutes. Now here unit is same, so directly we can find the ratio, that is ratio equal to 35 minutes to 45 minutes. We can write in division fraction. Okay, so 35 upon 45, we can cancel it with 5 nines are 40 and 5 sevens are 35, so which is equal to 7 upon 9. So ratio is 7 ratio 9. Now third one, the question is 8 kg to 400 gram. Now your question is 8 kg to 400 gram. So this 8 kg we will convert this into gram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 8 kg equal to how much? 8 into 1000. So which is equal to 8000 gram. Now instead of 8 kg we will write 8000 gram. So what is the ratio? Equal to 8000 gram to 400 gram. So in division we will write 8000 upon 400, 0 0 0 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 0. So what is the ratio? 20 upon 1. So which is equal to 20 ratio 1 is the answer. Fourth one, 48 minutes to 1 hour. So what we will convert here? 1 hour we will convert it. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour, instead of 1 hour we will write 60 minutes. So ratio equal to 48 minutes to 60 minutes. So it is equal to 48 upon 60. Now we can cancel it. 12 4s and 12 5s, which is equal to 4 upon 5. So ratio is 4 ratio 5. Now fifth one question is 2 meter to 35 centimeter. So what we will change here? 2 meter we will change. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equal to 2 into 100, which is equal to 200 centimeter. So instead of 2 meter we will write 200 centimeter. So ratio equal to 200 centimeter to 35 centimeter, which is equal to 200 upon 35. So we can cancel it, right? 5 sevens are 5, 140 are. Then 5 sevens are 35, 5 here it is 5 4s are 20, 0s are 20s are. Okay, so the answer is 40 upon 7. So it is equal to 40 ratio 7. Now question number 6, 35 minutes to 45 second. Now what we will change here? 35 minute into second. So 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So the 35 minutes equal to how many seconds? 35 into 60. That is 2100 second. Okay, now this one ratio we have to find equal to 2100 second to 45 second, which is equal. Now we can write that is 2100 upon 45. Now with 5 we can cancel. 5 nines are 5, 4s are 20, 1 2s are 10, 0. 3s are 3, 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 0. So the answer is 140 upon 3, which is in ratio 140 ratio 3. Question number 8, 3 weeks to 3 days. Now this week will change into days. So 1 week equal to 7 days. So 3 week equal to how many days? 3 into 7, which is equal to 3 sevens are 21 days. Now we will write in ratio, that is equal to, instead of 3 weeks we will write 21 days to 3 days, which is equal to 21 upon 3, 3 ones are 3, sevens are 21, which is equal to 7 upon 1. So the answer is 7 ratio 1. Now ninth one, 48 minutes to 2 hours 40 minutes. So let us change this 2 hour 40 minutes into minutes only. For that, first what we will do, first we will take this 2 hours 40 minutes, we will change these 2 hours into minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hour equal to 2 into 60. So 2 6 are 12. So 120 minutes. So what we will change here, 2 hours 40 minutes equal to, instead of 2 hours I write 120 minutes plus 40 minutes. So equal to 0, 4, 5, 6, 1. So 160 minute will come. Now we will change this in ratio. So instead of 2 hours 40 minutes we will write 160 minutes. So that is 48 minutes to 160 minute equal to, here it is ratio equal to, so equal to 48 upon 160. Now we can cancel it. So what will come with 16 threes are and 16 tens are. So 3 upon 10, which is 3 ratio 10 is the answer. This also 10th one we will change this whole into centimeter. So first of all we will take 3 meter 5 centimeter, as we 3 meter we will change into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter equal to 3 into 100, which is equal to 300 centimeter. So this whole 3 meter 5 centimeter we will change into centimeter. So instead of 3 meter we will write 300 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which is equal to 305 centimeter. Now instead of this whole we will write 305 centimeter. So ratio equal to 305 centimeter to 35 centimeter. So 305 upon 35. So that one is 5 sevens are 35, 5 61s are. So which is equal to 61 upon 7. So ratio is 61 ratio 7 is the answer. Question number 6. The number of boys and girls in a school are 1168 and 1095 respectively. Express the ratio of the number of boys to that of the girl in the simplest form. Now here we have to find the ratio. Okay, the ratio equal to what we will write, the number of boys that of to that of the girls. Okay, this statement we will write to find the ratio. We had given number of boys is 1168 and 1095 is girls. Now see here, number of boys we had given 1168 and number of girls equal to 1095. So ratio equal to number of boys to that of number of girls. So number of boys is 1168 to 1095. So this one we will write in division, that is 1168 upon 109, that is 73 16s and 73 15s. So it is equal to 16 upon 15. So ratio is 16 ratio 50. Question number 7. Avinash worked as a lecturer and earned rupees 12,000 per month. His wife, who is a doctor, earned rupees 15,000 per month. Find the ratio Avinash income to the income of his wife, and second one, Avinash income to their total income. So first, what we will do for that, Avinash income we will write and his wife income we will write first. Okay, then we have to find the ratio of first one, Avinash income and his wife income. So whatever given we had written, that is Avinash income rupees 12,000, his wife income rupees 15,000. So ratio equal to first one we had asked Avinash income to the income of his wife. So first we will write the Avinash income, that is rupees 12,000 to rupees 15,000. Now this one we will write in division. So that is in division, 0 0 0 0 0 cancel, 3 4s and 3 5s, which is equal to 4 upon 5. So ratio is 4 ratio 5. Now for the second one, what we had asked that Avinash income to that total income. Now total income we don't know. So first we will find total income equal to his wife and Avinash. So rupees 12,000 plus rupees 15,000. So this is equal to rupees 0 0 0 5 6 7 and 2 27,000. So now we will find the ratio equal to what we had asked, Avinash income to their total income. Okay, so Avinash income is 12,000 rupees, 12,000 to their total is rupees 27,000. Now write in division form upon 27 0 0 0 0 0 cancel, 3 4s are 3 9s are. So 4 upon 9 equal to 4 ratio 9 is the answer. Okay. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Of the 72% working in an office, 28 are men and remaining are women. Now total workers are 72. From that, 28 are men, remaining are women. So for the women, what we have to do, 72 minus 28. So we will get the number of women. Find the ratio of men to that of women. Okay, so first what we will write, total workers 72. From that, man is 28 and we will find the woman. Now total working person is 72, man is 28. So what we have to do, woman, for woman, total minus man, that is 28, which is equal to 12 minus 8, 4, 6 minus 2, 4. So 44 are women. So first one, what we have to find, man to that of women. So ratio equal to man to that of women. So man is 28 to 44%. Okay, 28 to 44%. That is 28 upon 44. So with 2 we can cancel it. So with 7 also we can 4 7s are and 4 11s are. So 7 upon 11, which is equal to 7 ratio 11. Now what is the second question? Second question is man to the total number of person. So man is 28 to total number of person is 72, which is equal to 28 upon 72. So the answer is 4 7s are 4, 1s are 4 and 8s are 32. So So which is equal to 7 upon 18, which is equal to 7 ratio 80. Okay, now third one, what is the question? That ratio equal to what we had asked, person to that of woman. Person to that of only person written, so total number of person we will take. Okay, person to that of woman. So only person written, so we will write total number of person to 44 women. So 72 upon 44. 4 18s and 4 11s, which is equal to 18 upon 11. So 18 ratio 11. Okay. Now question number 9. The length of steel tap for measurement of building is 10 meter and its width is 2.4 centimeter. What is the ratio of length to width? Now see, here we had given steel tap of measurement of building is 10 meter, that is length, and width we had given 2.4 centimeter. So let us convert this 10 meter into centimeter. Okay, because we need same unit. So without same unit we have to convert this into same unit. So here meter is given, so we will convert this 10 meter into centimeter. So let us convert this 10 meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 10 meter equal to 10 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1000 centimeter. So length is 1000 centimeter and width we had given, that is 2.4 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find out ratio equal to length to width. Okay, so what we had given, length 1000 centimeter to 2.4 centimeter. So 1000 upon 2.4. So we'll convert this 2.4 into fraction form. So what we will get, 1000 upon 24. This divided by 10 will come, so I will multiply here 10. Okay, so that we can cancel it with 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fives are 10. Then after that 4 threes are 12 and 4 twos are 8. Okay, 1 2 remain, 4 5s are 20, 0, which is equal to 5 zeros are, we can't cancel it more than this, so 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 1 2 5 0 upon 3. So the ratio is 1 to 5 0 ratio 3 is the answer. Question number 10. An office open at 9 a.m. and close at 5 p.m. with a lunch interval of 30 minutes. What is the ratio of lunch interval to the total period in office? Question number 12. Margaret works in a factory and earns rupees 955 per month. She saves rupees 185 per month from her earning. Find the ratio. Now here if you are earning and saving one expenditure also, that you spend the money, that is called expenditure. So how to find the spend the money? 955 minus 185, which is equal to expenditure. Expenditure equal to earning minus saving. Expenditure means spending money. Whichever we spend the money from the earning, that is called expenditure. So rupees 955 minus rupees 185, which is equal to rupees 15 minus 8, that is 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 9 minus 1 that 8 minus 1 that is 7. 770 she had spent. Now first one, what we have to find ratio of her saving to her income. Now ratio equal to saving to her income. Now saving is 185 rupees to income is earning money rupees 955, which is equal to 185 upon 955. So what we can do? Cancel it. So that is, we can 5 we can cancel it. Now 5 ones are 5 nines are 45. Then 1 remain, 5 ones are. Then 5 threes are 50, 5 sevens are 35, which is equal to 37 upon 191. So ratio is 37 ratio 191. Now second one, what is the question? Ratio equal to, what we have to find? Her income to her expenditure. So income to her expenditure, so which is equal to, income is rupees 955 to expenditure rupees 770, which is equal to 955 upon 770. So what we will write? 5 191s are and 5 154s are. So 191 upon 154, which is equal to 919 ratio 154. Now third one, last question, that is ratio, what we had asked, saving to her expenditure. Saving to her expenditure. So saving is 185 to expenditure rupees 770, which is equal to 185 upon 770. We can cancel with 5 37s are and 5 154s are. So 37 upon 154, which is equal to 37 ratio 154. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.